It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it does not matter. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. Get your facts first. Then you can distort them as you please. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. A person who won't read has no advantage over one who can't read. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. The lack of money is the root of all evil. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Don't let schooling interfere with your education. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat two frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. A man's character may be learned from the adjectives which he habitually uses in conversation. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do the day after tomorrow. Do the thing you fear most, and the death of fear is certain. I can live for 2 months on a good compliment.